Good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Pooja Pawar. Here's my presentation on fieldwork theme, social work response to impact of COVID-19 on various groups and community. My community name, Malegaon. Supervisor name, Dr. Jaimun Varghese sir. Introduction to my community. Malegaon is a taluka place located on the banks of river Mosam and Girna. Malegaon being a second largest textile hub in Maharashtra has large number of Hindu and Muslim population, out of which 70% of population is engaged in industrial works and rest of 30% in cultivation, education sector and small businesses. Current situation of the community. Malegaon, having a large population, had a large number of COVID-19 cases in first stage, but the cases decreased gradually after July and no cases reported in August due to the proper management. At present, due to the festivals like Ganpati, Pola, Eid, Navratri, people are making rush to the markets which has reported 46 cases infected by COVID-19 which are under treatment. The impacted sections of community: group of youths, group of students, group of powerloom workers, group of small vendors, group of marginalized workers. Moving towards group work. Group work, a method of social work which helps individuals to enhance their social functioning through purposeful group experiences and to cope more effectively with their personal issues. It's directed to both the individual group member and a group as a whole. The group I selected was a group of powerloom workers. Reasons for selecting the group: Malegaon, being a powerloom city, has large number of population working in the powerlooms, so it's the most affected group due to the pandemic and needs to be assessed. They are not only affected individually, their work life and family life both are disturbed, which should be taken into consideration, and their needs should be assessed and they should be made capable for standing for themselves and helped to get their issues solved. Group formation. I formed a group of 10 powerloom workers, members sharing the same attitude, values, and issues. I conducted the ice-breaking session with introduction to the reason and goal of forming the group. I understood how actually the group tendency is and made them understand about the purpose of group formation. The relationships of members were taken into consideration and built rapport, showing empathy towards them, having proper conversations. Then I understood the needs for assessment by knowing their issues and prepared the objectives and goals to be achieved and then started conducting activities. The goals to be achieved were to increase the working hours of workers by finding some alternatives in order to increase their payments. Talk to the buyers for getting the pending payments done. Introduction of government schemes to get financial help in order to save their assets. Stop child labor. Introduction of some health related schemes, making members mentally stable to restart the broken education chain of their children. Group work activities conducted were giving an alternative for production of masks and gloves to increase demand and production, and ultimately the working and payments of workers, bringing the brokers and workers in front of each other, making a conversation between them, sharing each other their issues and then finding some solution for their issue of payments. Introducing different government schemes to get benefited and save their valuable assets, making them understand about the adverse impact of child labor and convincing them to stop it, introducing them to different health schemes, talking to depressed workers about the importance of their life for their families and making them mentally stable with suggesting them some relaxing techniques like meditation, making their children get back to education by asking their elder siblings to take their studies. Now, coming towards community organization. It's a process which communities are helped to identify common problems or goals, mobilize resources, and in other ways develop and implement strategies for reaching their goals they have collectively set. It's about empowering. When people unite together and get involved in community organization, they develop confidence. This empowerment comes when people learn skills to help themselves and others. Activity conducted. Arrangement of tank for Ganpati Visarjan in surrounding to avoid the river pollution and more social gathering. According to tree plantation activity in surrounding. Awareness session for females regarding anemia, cleanliness drive at the bank of river Girna, and awareness among youth about the adverse impact of substance abuse. Evaluation. Evaluation in simple words, it is the assessment of work done to see the goals achieved, more needs of the group, whether the group is helped according to the values and principles, what type of strategies and techniques used while working, group evaluation. The evaluation done for group work showed that the members were quite satisfied by the results of the program conducted. The impact of sessions, or we can say the achieved goals, are the workers got their working hours increased and ultimately it's going to affect their salaries. The child labor has been stopped and the children are now engaged in educational activities. The assets of members have been saved from getting sold. The members got benefited by the health policies and also some remedies introduced to them. The members are trying to practice relaxation techniques to be stable mentally. Community organization evaluation. All the activities conducted had a good impact on the people and also it brought changes in their behavior, except the activity conducted with the youth related to substance abuse. The other success includes the session for females related to anemia in creating good impact. They are taking proper diet and also I withdrawn the group and asked some of the girls to volunteer it and take updates of the health of the members. Observations. While working with people in group and community, I observed that the people with the same issues when come together and work on it, they gradually end their differences. Different people share different ideas which make the work very effective. Tasks done together when are successful, they encourage people to participate more actively and confidently. The gradual process increases the coordination between the members and also builds more trust. This process increases the knowledge of members and polishes their skills. Learnings. I learned how to tackle the complex issues by dividing them into parts. I learned how to delegate the roles and responsibilities. I developed the stronger communication skills. Time management, role of empathy in getting the trust of members, how to resolve the differences by making the proper communication between the conflicted groups. Challenges faced. Maintaining the balance between the individual as well as group needs. Time management. Issues faced in building rapport with people and gaining their trust. At the initial phase. Heterogeneity in the groups, especially cultural differences. With this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.